No wonder LeBron James made a strange sound at his son Bryce's graduation ceremony. His quirky movement inadvertently uncovered an ultimate secret. Bryce, James's youngest son, recently attended his school graduation ceremony. As he stepped onto the stage to receive his diploma, a strange cry erupted from the audience. Other parents quickly realized it was LeBron James, and behind that odd shout lay a secret he had harbored for years. First, Bryce is committed to joining the University of Arizona, and graduation marks the official beginning of his college basketball career. This allows him to showcase his talent on a higher-level court and face stronger competitors, serving as a crucial step toward a professional basketball path. Second, the James family is renowned for its basketball legacy, and Bryce's graduation and development in the sport add new luster to the family name. When James personally presented Bryce with a precious watch, it symbolized passing down the family's spirit and honor to the next generation. Finally, as LeBron James's son,